Okay, so come back out to the boat, and you are now joining me on mission relocation of the baby gull. But I'm worried that mummy seagull is going to attack me, because this thing is quite vicious. It doesn't want me to touch it and it tries to bite me. So,
You want a rag?
yeah, I got some cloths. I'm gonna relocate it, do boats over, apparently. So, I'm gonna have to relocate. That's the mother. So here we go. I'm gonna relocate this thing. Who stinks? Okay, there's the birdie. And here we go. Oh, I forgot to untie myself. Yeah. I might have a problem. I have a problem. There's a seagull like that. Deary me, what do I do? What do I do with you? Okay, the man said that this orange one now, that one's got an egg. So the orange one, we're going to try that. This one. Ah! Okay. So, there's no seagulls in this one. So I feel this is a good one. So, hopefully Mum's watching. And I'm going to put the baby in it. We like to keep it. Now, I've drifted away from the hole. And here it has an egg. It's cracked. And it stinks. So, what's inside it? Uh-oh. The baby's running away. Oh no, it's not. Yes, it's hiding somewhere over there. That's alright. This is a rotten baby seagull. Look. That. There's a rotten, dead baby seagull. Oh. Okay. Here it goes. Okay. So, this baby, get this one. Go down there. I'm coming out. Okay. Done. So, now I go back and I hope that it doesn't die. And I got poo all over me.